a new problem in SoloLearn in the course of C++ of pointer and dynamic array. Depends on the concept of pointer and dynamic array and array from input. Let's go and solve this problem. This is the case of the problem. An array from input, the code provided here calculates the largest element of the array nums, the array called nums, and include different elements, and the program computes the largest and print it out. Complete the code to declare the nums array and take the array elements as input. يعني هتخلي هنا الاري elements دي dynamic، ما هياش fixed number، ما هياش fixed size. The array can be of any variable size, any size. So the first input should be the size of the array followed by its elements. This is the criteria for inserting the values of the elements. The first is the size of the array, and next the values respectively of the elements of this array. So here we have integer n, and we will enter the size of the array by this code. Your code will be here to let it variable array. So here is the array, it's called nums. Okay, and here because the elements here are integers, I think integers at the example here. Okay, so integer pointer asterisk for pointer equals new هنا integer because its values are integers, and here we have the size n. Now we initialized this this array. Okay, semicolon. Run. If there is errors, will appear here. So the variable nums is not declared or initialized. Unuse the variable b. Well, here will be nums. There is some problem here. We'll check it now. Your output 0, expected 3. Why? So as the error says that the nums is not declared, so we have to declare it nums n or variable dynamic, and it means dynamic, and then run. There is some problem here. Go back. you write the code again. So first of all we have to declare or define the nums array. It's include integer values, so nums, and here it's a dynamic semicolon, and then a code for initialize its size. So integer, and here asterisk nums equals new integer, and here n value, and close, and semicolon for ending. And now let's try it now. It have also error. The error is caused by not specifying the size of the array nums. It should be integer nums new integer n to dynamically allocate memory nums. Okay, what happened here? Try it. Okay, so in a case problem, because here the CNN for entering in, and then we have to define a loop for entering the other elements, these elements. Okay, so here this for loop, it's very important. Control C, and here we'll put here Control V, and here we will enter every element of the array, which is nums of I here. Okay, and now we are entering each element of the array. Okay, let's run again. Same problem, the array nums is used without being declared. Oh, you have to declare it first, sorry. So you have to declare it here, and here Ctrl X, and declare here after n, and run. The variable n is used initialized when creating the array. Oh, you have to enter it out first. So you have here to initialize, enter it, and then initialize here. Yeah, it's working, you know. Okay, if there is any question, don't hesitate to ask me. I will reply as soon as possible. Share the video with others, and write a good comment to encourage us to continue, and like the video and share it. Thanks for watching.